So today let's make this delicious pasta stir fry or spaghetti stir fry that is easy to make, perfect for lunch or dinner or when you're having a guest. Here are some of the veggies we'll be using for this recipe. I have 2 carrots, 2 red bell pepper and 2 green bell pepper. So I'll start by slicing that up properly, and then we'll be giving all the veggies a julienne cut, same shape, uniform with our pasta dish. Once I'm done cutting the red bell pepper, I'll do same with the green bell pepper. And once that is done, I'll go ahead and cut the carrot. Now you notice I sliced the carrot thinner, and then that will help me get the perfect julienne cut for this. I'll go ahead and slice red onion, and once I'm done slicing the onion, now for this pasta stir fry I'm using beef. Feel free to use chicken breast or any other protein of your choice. Once we're done with the prepping, this is what we have: the green bell pepper, the red onion cut into julienne, our beef cut into stripes and ready. Then we have our red bell pepper and of course our carrot. And for our pepper mix, I have some fresh tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper and of course 4 scotch bonnet pepper for a little bit of heat in the dish. Into a pan, I'll go ahead and add in some vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up slightly, then we'll go in now with our beef that has been finely cut into stripes. Once we've added the beef, we'll be stirring this consistently so that this stir fries and cooks properly. Now you might notice a little bit of moisture. Not to worry, if the oil is not enough, just go ahead and drizzle in a little bit more oil. So you want it to stir fry properly in the oil. And once it is ready and looks almost like this, I'll start by seasoning this. So I started by seasoning this with garlic powder, crushed bouillon cubes, all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of barbecue seasoning powder. So stir this properly until it's properly mixed and done. And once it's properly cooked and looks like this, next we start by adding in a julienne cut carrot and then stir that up properly. So I added the carrot at first because the carrot takes a little bit more time to cook. The bell peppers and the onion cook way faster than the carrot. So once I'm done adding the carrot and stir fry that for a few minutes, I'll go ahead and add in the red onion and the bell peppers. Now we'll mix everything together so it combines properly. One of the reasons I love this stir fry pasta dish is that it's not only easy and quick to make, I also love the texture, the vibrancy and the contrast, the different popping colors of the vegetable. Once it is done, we'll take that out, but ensure that the veggies still have some sort of crunchiness or some sort of texture when you bite into it. That's perfect. You don't want it to be overly cooked and completely done at this point. So take out all the veggies, and then into the same pan I'll go ahead and drizzle in a little bit more vegetable oil, add in my onion, saute that for a few minutes, then add in a blended pepper mix. Now we'll stir that properly, and while our pepper mix is cooking, I'll start by preparing our pasta. For the pasta, I'll add in some water in a pot and add in some salt. Cover and allow the water to boil properly. Then we'll quickly check back on our tomato or pepper mix and stir that properly. Once we stir the tomato properly, we'll allow that to continue frying. Then we'll check back on our pasta water. And by now the water has boiled properly. I'll go ahead and add in now the pasta or the spaghetti and then stir that properly so that it's directly into the pot and cooks at least 80% done. So I'll start seasoning with some curry powder, crushed bouillon cube, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of barbecue seasoning powder. Now stir this properly and allow the tomato mix to cook properly till it's almost done. Quickly check back on the pasta, and by now the pasta it's cooked, it's done. Take out the pasta and drain the water. Our pepper mix is properly fried and just ready. So I'll go ahead and add in now our pasta or spaghetti, and then add now the veggies and the beef stir fry we prepared earlier. Start mixing this properly. Now be very careful at this point, you don't want to break the pasta, so take your time and mix this in properly till everything is well combined. And by now the flavors is everywhere. It smells and looks so delicious. Go ahead and cover this and simmer on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll turn off the heat. Our delicious stir-fry pasta, it's ready. It is beginner friendly, easy to make. I can't wait for you to try this stir-fry pasta recipe and share your thoughts with me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. Bye.